This is the Strada Avanti C camper van, 636 centimeters in length and on a Fiat Ducato basis. Very elegant. This vehicle is certainly at the top end of the Fiat Ducato camper van conversions, but it also has a price which is much more than what you'd normally expect to pay. Something like this, you're looking at 75,000-80,000 euros new easily, although sometimes they do come up on the used market. A innovation in this that no one else has: a door for the shower like this. Note how the floor here gets wider towards the bed and allowing more space for the shower to be used. At the back we've got a double bed, we've got storage all the way round, and we've got storage. Looks a bit like a filing cabinet, but in my opinion the filing cabinet look is the most practical for anybody living or traveling in a van. Here we have the fridge, and I shall come out now and show you around the back of the vehicle. So here, 86,501 euros. Of course it depends on the kit that comes with it. So here you can see the amount of space at the back. Another feature is you can knock this up like that to create more space should it be necessary, and also there's a communication with the rest of the van through that hatch. So that's where the toilet set is. In this case it's a SOG system. Water goes in there, and it's I think a very attractive van, one of the most attractive vans, but it does come at quite a price. Standing here you can also see the hatches which are in the roof, so there's 3 of them. The second one, by the way, that's lighting for the show. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and I shall upload more on this vehicle. I have actually filmed it in more detail and a slightly longer video. So this is the Strada Avanti C in under 3 minutes.